Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of I Tried It. I tried this particular YouTube video. This video, I'm going to tell you my honest opinion on this particular video. I watched it from the beginning to the end. And if you're seeing it for the first time, give me a warm welcome. What we do on this particular channel is talking about how to make money online and offline business ideas and tips. We review a website that works and the one that does not work as well. So you don't have to stress yourself looking for ways to make money while you're wasting your time as well. Okay, now let's dive into this video. I'm going to tell you my honest opinion, how I was able to withdraw my money, how much I was able to make, was it possible, does it work out? You're going to know everything. Calm down, relax. If you've not subscribed yet, subscribe, and also do not forget to give this video a like. Okay, now let's dive into the business. Hey, two websites was mentioned in the video. First one is Ngrip and the other one is Firms Up. So this particular first one is Ngrip. So let me tell you everything about it. First thing, you need to go to your Chrome browser, search for Ngrip. The very firstly, click on it. It's going to take you to this particular page. Log in with your name, your phone number, your Gmail address, and then create a password. After doing all those necessary things, it's going to take you to their home page. So this is how their home page is like. You can save your password if it's necessary. Encrypt, you can see my account. I was credited with 50 naira immediately I signed up. So you have to go back. Before you can actually make money from this particular website, you need to pay a sum of 1,000 naira or 100 naira. For premium is 1,000. For basic, which is the regular one, is 100 naira. For premium, if you pay 1,000 naira, you're going to get premium job up to like 250 tasks a day. And for basic benefits, you are going to be getting, for basic, the amount of job you are going to be getting is not stated. And also another way you can make money from there is referring. For premium benefits, you are going to make 500 naira from referral, and for basic, which is the 100 naira own, you are going to be getting 50 naira for referral. You can also withdraw 3 times. So after that 3 times, you have to pay for the premium benefits. So how do you apply? Go back to the home page, you click on jobs, deposit money. Then once you click there, it's going to take you to the deposit fund. Click on payments method, click on bank transfer or any other method that you want to use. Then you're going to click on deposit fund. It's going to show their account number. It was OPay that was there, and I wanted to make payments, but I didn't see need for it actually. So that's everything about Encrypts. And you can make money from referral. You can also make money performing tasks. So I think the premium benefit is actually more advisable if at all you want to start doing this. Okay, so let's go to the second one, which is Firms Up. So all you have to do is to go to your Chrome browser and type in Firms Up. It's going to take you to this very first page. Then do the necessary thing is registering your Gmail address, your full name, your age, your password, and click on register. After successfully registering on this particular platform, it's going to take you to their home page. So this is how their home page looks like. And cash for completing task, engagement task, post task. So honestly, I'm actually disappointed as soon as I log into this app. It was not what I was expecting at all. So basically, the amount of money you're going to make from this particular website is basically from 5 naira, 20 naira, 10 naira. So I decided to perform a task if Shuli is going to pay me even if it's 5 naira. So let me just check if it is true. So I actually click on one task to perform and it takes me to another website entirely. I was not bothered. I was just okay, let's see what is there, let me perform my task and get that and come back to the home page to perform another task. So when I got there, it was something else. It was node pictures. This is really, really annoying and confusing. I was like, what the heck is this one? Is this what I'm going to be wasting my time on? So I prefer the Ngrip to this because this is the total nonsense, honestly. And also I had to try out again to make another one. Maybe that one was that one, like maybe that one is just somehow. So I had to click on the WhatsApp one that asked me to join the group. I joined the group and I screenshotted and I sent the proof to the to the person. He also asked me, it was 2 links that was there, one for Telegram and the other one for for WhatsApp, which is 6 naira. And of course I did. After the submission, I went back to the home page to check if the money was credited into my account. So it was showing pending earning. So I just leave it to check back later. I checked before I went to bed yesterday night, but it was still zero accounts in my balance, so I had to just hold on to the next day. So this was what my balance was showing. I was confused. I had to refresh. So after refreshing, so like for sometimes it's still the same thing. The pending earning has gone, and the and the money I was supposed to be credited is not there. So I don't know. So the only way you can actually make money is any 6% of whatever your referral earns, which is what's it called? Which is 100. I mean, which is 6%. You can see my money is gone. Anyways, that will be all for today. So that's the end though. So that will be the end of today's video. Make sure you give this video a like and also comment which one of these two websites you are going to be trying, or you're not going to be trying any of it at all. I'm going to be dropping a link to some videos that I think is going to be helpful if you really want to make money online. And that will be all for today. See you on my next video. Bye. Take care.